Tauziehen. Hier oben kommen schon die anderen, die wollen auch noch was abhaben. Ja.
They have to eat stomach, intestines, skin and hair, otherwise they get skin problems.
Leckere.
An offset, look. The other reason they lose so much meat is because of their noisiness when eating.
Tauziehen. Hier oben kommen schon die anderen, die wollen auch noch was abhaben. Ja. The birds like it too?
Yeah, they will clean afterwards, which is nice.
War ein Hase. War das ein Hase oder war das ein Hase? Da stehen nicht. Hier, da unten, das unten, der da liegt. Das ist ein Körner. Was meinst du?
They are not so hungry because they ate yesterday.
Das ist ein Kopf.
This is where they are not so hungry.
Yeah, they're not so hungry today and they still eat viciously, eh? Wild dogs and cheetahs hunt during the day, lion and leopard at night. That takes a little bit of competition away, but because wild dogs are such noisy eaters, lions that lie close by will immediately get up and steal their meat.
Okay.
In the wild.
Yes.
So ein Haufen, da kannst du dann hinterher gucken, ob da was Vernünftiges dabei ist. Du kannst echt lange auf diese Haufen halten. Ach, das war der Kopf mit dem Ohr. Verstehe. Ein Antilop. Mag ich ja nicht so gerne. Obwohl, das sind total soziale Tiere. Und das ist, was Wolf gar nicht erzählt hat. Ne? Und immer so, und diese ekligen Viecher, diese fiesen.
Wer hat das? Wer war aufgeregt mit den Wild Dogs?
Die anderen Touristen dann abends im Camp. Oh, wer hat mir gesagt, oh, die werden nur für Wild Dogs nach Dings gekommen. Ich so, ja. Mitlauf. Ja, ich finde, die haben irgendwie echt so dunkle Stimme. Geht's schon? Wo kommt's her? Aus dem Busch?
Thank you.
Ich schleppe das jetzt wieder weg.
Ja, wir wollen in Ruhe essen.
Wir wollen ja auch nicht, dass uns jemand beim Essen dauernd fotografiert, oder? So, jetzt ist gut. What are the birds?
White crows.
White crows, aha. Also ganz normal. Weiße Krähen, ja.
Crows you get in every country.
Yeah, but we don't have them in white.
Oh, okay.
No, ours are black.
You've got the black and the white.
Uh-huh.
What do you drink with the horn?
The horns.
Yeah.
We ban it.
Der wirkt irgendwie wie dieser bekloppte Hyäne aus König der Löwen. Ein bisschen durchgeknallt.
Ja. Da hinten, der kriegt nichts mit, oder was?
Der da hinten rumschnallt. Der ist irgendwie ein bisschen
Oder ich
gestört.
gestern keinen Wort gegessen.
Knochen nur, oder? Einfach so, ne?
Das ist ja auch alles, jede Sehne, ne?
Ja, sie hat ja gesagt, wir müssen Innereien und sowas alles essen, sonst kriegen wir Rückkrankheiten. Das sind natürlich auch irgendwo die Saubermacher, ne?
Ja, klar,
Die
Geier.
Die Geier. Und die letzten Reste fressen noch die Insekten. Nicht fertig. Und jetzt wird alles schön sauber. Vögelchen holen sich schon weg.
Yesterday when they captured some eland, one of the eland got injured and died, and they gave it to the wild dogs, so that's why they are not so hungry. You can see he's even lying. He didn't eat much and his stomach is big.
Where are all the females?
I've splitted them because I was scared that they're gonna breed, but I was not quick enough because one looks pregnant.
That's on the male.
Diese Vorfreude.
All the males are here, all the females are that side, so we'll go to them also. This male lioness is very relaxed, so it means they come from a popular spot in the park. So we go in, but the females, they are relaxed and they want to attack you when you're outside of the pen. Done it in captivity,
Okay.
but
Yeah,
not
but
fatal.
normally not.
They haven't killed.
Ach so.
My father, when he catches the lions, he throws a cargo net on them because we are not veterinarians, we're not allowed to dart. And then they don't like that. The moment something is on top of their paws, they like a kitty cat. They go in, then he drags them, or he's got a long stick with a loop, and he loops it over their back legs, and he pulls them into a small cage. And then he put the small cage onto the vehicle, and then he drives in here and he opens and they run out. When we captured wild dogs, we tried that. It was not possible because your wild dog can run fast at long distances, so you can't keep up with them. So we've put cages with meat inside, thinking we'll capture them, then we capture leopards. They are too clever to get into that cage. So to Carl, that guy that's with you, he said, you know, let's caught them by horseback. And my father said, you can try. I don't think. Hey, they brought them, throw them in, go, throw them in. And he said he caught them by the necks and the tails, hanging down from the horses.
Oh.
That's how they were captured.
Oh.
And the cheetah. A cheetah has no aggression. A cheetah you can chase, because he runs very fast for a very short distance, and then he goes like this. And then you can pick him up and load him.
And you capture them out of the area, so you...
Cattle
Because of
farmers
the
will
cattle,
call
yeah,
us
I
and they
see.
say we've got problem predators,
see,
but
I
they've been calling me so much now, and I said no,
No more.
stop. Yeah. So when you come here in 5 years,
A löwe.
okay, can we move on?
Ja. Ich weiß nicht, ob ich noch zu Abend essen will. Ja. Was war das? Die Blase?
Guten Appetit, das war die Blase.
Nature is so romantic.
Yes, that's how it is. That's how it is. Especially when you are waiting for dinner.
We'll have dinner at
No
7.
meat today, please. No meat today.
Bleibt ein bisschen weg mit deinem Gespritze da.
Das sind übrigens die Buschmänner. Ah, ja? Die waren so gut kostümiert.
Oh, she has a little, like a baby or something. She's eating it.
Aber die sind wirklich wesentlich zierlicher, ne? Vielleicht mehr Flickerfliegen. So eine Blase aufbeißen. Knack, 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 knack. Gut, genau. Sich mal die Leute noch da hinten bleiben. Oh. Das Busch noch No,
Oh, look how they like the smell. Oh, nice. Guck mal, der wälzt sich da. Guck mal hier. Guck mal, der da links, wie sich da rumwälzt.
Nein.
Das mache ich heute Abend mit dem Steak auch.
Erst mal reinlegen.
Lass mal wälzen. Steak wälzen. You can see the dogs are not hungry. Eh?
Not really, no.
Oh. Ja, müssen wir rumknutschen, genau.
Which one is the pregnant one? Can you
I don't
recognize
see
her?
her.
Oh, that's the bird making that noise.
Well, so she might have babies.
I'll show you somewhere else.
We were just discussing, this is terrible.
Then you see the small ones soon.
They won't eat now, they will still drink milk, but in a few months they will go and regurgitate for them. Then we'll see where they are. She's not here.
Auch lecker
There's a lot of them
ausgebrochenes.
not here, which means she's got babysitters and everything with her. There should be 10 in here.
Jetzt, guck mal jetzt. Was machen die beiden denn? Oh, these are two females, huh?
It's a dominant thing, I think.
Yeah, maybe.
Could be a meaty.
Eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf. Sechs.
Da vorne ist noch ganz viel.
Aber so sehen wir von innen auch aus. Aber es bleibt schön drin.
Das ist der sich da drin wälzt.
Am liebsten.
Sowas ähnliches wie ein Deo, oder?
In der
was
Badewanne.
Ähnliches.
Zart.
Badewanne, in was badest du?
Nein, für die.
Hopsi. Ja, genau. In die Fätzchen, okay.
Time of need, you always do the right thing. Your instincts makes you do the right thing. Sometimes you just don't make it. If you need to stand still, you'll stand still. If you need to run, you'll run. They believe in instincts. They don't believe in book. Always stand. They believe in the situation will tell you. You say, man. Kom jullie maar voor. Ach, eerst om de